Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet in a Ninja blender. Making delicious, sorbet starts with selecting the right ingredients. You'll want to use ripe, flavorful fruit, as this provides natural sweetness and a vibrant taste. Ensure your fruit is completely frozen, ideally for at least 4 hours, to achieve the perfect icy texture. A little liquid helps everything blend smoothly. Now, let's get blending. Load your frozen fruit into your Ninja blender. Start by pulsing a few times to break down the larger pieces. Then, switch to a continuous blend, using the smoothie or ice cream setting if your model has one. Don't hesitate to pause and scrape down the sides of the container to ensure all ingredients are incorporated evenly. To truly perfect your sorbet, consider a few enhancements. If your fruit isn't sweet enough, you can add a touch of honey, maple syrup, or a simple syrup to taste. A small squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can brighten the flavors beautifully. For a firmer consistency, simply transfer your freshly blended sorbet to a freezer-safe container and refreeze for about 30 minutes. Your homemade sorbet is ready to enjoy. For the best soft-serve texture, serve it immediately after blending. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the freezer to prevent ice crystals from forming. When you're ready for another scoop, let it sit out for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.